Planning a road trip or preparing for a long drive? Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, long-distance driving can be exciting, but it also demands focus, preparation, and smart habits. Here are proven tips to help you enjoy the ride and arrive safely. 1. Prep your car before you hit the road. Before any long trip, your car deserves a quick checkup. Inspect engine oil and coolant levels to prevent overheating. Tires ensure they're properly inflated and have enough tread. Brakes and lights, your life literally depends on them. Wipers and washer fluid visibility matters, especially during rain. If you haven't serviced your car in a while, consider doing it before your journey. 2. Get proper rest the night before. Fatigue is one of the leading causes of road accidents. A tired driver reacts slower and makes poor decisions. Make sure you sleep well before your trip. If you feel drowsy on the road, pull over, rest, or grab a coffee. Never fight sleep while driving. 3. Plan your route and fuel stops. Use navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze to plan your route ahead of time. Mark out rest areas and fuel stations along the way. Don't wait until your fuel gauge blinks red refuel when you hit the halfway mark, especially if you're driving through remote areas. 4. Stay hydrated and eat light. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, but avoid heavy meals that make you sleepy. Keep snacks like fruits, nuts, or protein bars handy. It's better to eat light and often than to load up and feel sluggish. 5. Take breaks regularly every 2 to 3 hours. Stop to stretch your legs and walk around. It helps blood circulation, keeps you alert, and reduces stiffness. You can also use these breaks to check your vehicle and refresh your mind. 6. Keep your mind engaged. Long drives can get boring, and boredom leads to fatigue. Create a playlist, listen to podcasts or audiobooks. Just make sure it doesn't distract you from the road. 7. Watch the weather and road signs. Always check the weather forecast before leaving. If it's raining or foggy, drive slower and keep a safe distance. And remember, road signs aren't decorations. They're there for your safety. 8. Avoid phone distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or use hands-free if you must take calls. A few seconds of distraction can lead to disaster. Stay focused. Your attention belongs on the road, not on notifications. Final tip, drive smart. Not fast. Reaching early isn't worth risking your life. Maintain a steady speed, follow traffic rules, and respect other road users. In short, a successful long-distance drive is 70% preparation, 30% alertness. Plan well, drive safe, and enjoy every mile of the journey.